Hey, I'm Brad at NIDAC. Just a quick update on the HID Indala FlexPass range of 125 kHz readers, which became end of life in June 2023 and were replaced by the HID Signo readers with standard credential profile. For customers using the Indala FlexPass reader with serial TTL output, commonly used to restrict access to heavy machinery or process line equipment, for example, this phase out has left them with no viable way to replace or add card readers. Here at NIDAC, we have tweaked the Presco Interface Module, or PIM, to output serial TTL. The NIDAC PIM converts the Wiegand data from the HID Signo reader to serial TTL, ensuring that customers who have made a significant investment in Indala credentials have a convenient replacement pathway for their card readers. The NIDAC PIM is capable of over 20 different types of data conversion, including our own Presco format, Wiegand, clock and data, Dallas iButton, USB and serial RS232. It can be used to extend the range of Wiegand readers to 1 kilometre, and as the NIDAC Presco format is immune to induced electrical noise, the PIM is the ideal solution in electrically noisy environments, such as lift shafts. To find out more about the NIDAC Presco Interface Module, as well as the rest of our category-leading and innovative solutions, go to our website at www.nidac.com, that's NIDAC, and visit our socials at YouTube, LinkedIn and Facebook. So until next time, ciao ciao.